diwrnod hyfryd yn Llandysul.
Yeah.
Mae'n gallu bod lot o hwyl bod ar gwrs Cymraeg.
And do you know what? Lots of these courses are going on in your local area, so if you want to find out where, go to our website, s4ec.co.uk/hub, get involved.
Yeah.
I can smell a bit of a, what is it called again?
Hwiangerdd.
Hwiangerdd. I can feel it coming on. I get all a bit itchy. It brings up my eczema.
No, Hwiangerdd, you see, they're so important. Dyma'r ffordd I ddysgu Cymraeg. You know, mothers take their children to TFE groups or nursery groups. Yeah. They can learn some Welsh with their children and practice.
There are lots of Welsh learners out there who are in that situation who don't speak Welsh themselves as parents, are learning through their kids who are in a Welsh school. So we are in this together. Grab your children and sing along with me. Don't leave me hanging, please. And what have you got for me today?
Well, we're all going to sing together, actually. We've got a song, Jac y Do. Welais Jac y Do. Lisa, I wrote them in. Lisa and Heather are going to sing with me. And are going to sing with you too.
Okay.
Also, I'll explain what the song is about, first of all. Welais Jac y Do. Yeah?
I saw Jack y Do.
Jack Do. And eistedd ar ben to.
Sitting
ar ben to.
On the roof. On the roof, ar ben to.
Hetwen ar ei ben.
White hat on his head.
A dwy goes bren.
Coes is legs.
It is. Dwy goes, two legs, bren. Two wooden legs.
Two wooden legs.
Two wooden legs. Ho, 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 ho.
Scientifically not possible, but you know,
it's
not. It's for kids.
It might not make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Okay, but you know, it's the rhythm of the words again. Helps with the learning.
You love your rhythm in the words.
I love the rhythm in the words. Now, should we try it?
What's the tune like? What is the tune like?
Okay, well, we'll show you now then.
Have you practiced this? You've got harmonies and everything. This is fantastic.
There's the notes. Okay, go.
Welais Jac y Do, yn eistedd ar ben to, hetwen ar ei ben a dwy goes bren, ho, 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 ho.
Wow, the new Eden. This is fantastic.
This is great. Then, with Siân Jones.
Oh, okay. Can I have the lyrics, please?
You can.
Welais Jac y Do, yn eistedd ar ben to, hetwen ar ei ben a dwy goes bren, ho, 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 ho.
Jack y Do.
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
I like that. That's really good.
Excellent.
I hope you enjoyed that at home. That was fantastic.
I enjoyed that.
I feel a lot better about singing now when I've got a group of people with me. Maybe you could be the house band.
Well,
this is a good idea. And I hope you enjoyed that at home too. Stop laughing at me, man. Stop laughing at me. OK, then, digwyddiadur time.
Amser rwan am y digwyddiadur.
This is where you find out what's going on in your local area and where you can practice your Cymraeg.